Welcome to our tutorial on the Sage Video Embed feature. In this video, you will learn how to use this tool to embed videos into learning management systems, LibGuides, or other online spaces. Sage Video is an expansive educational video library that immerses users in the social sciences through real-world scenarios with top experts, easy-to-understand tutorials, and documentary-style video content. The link to Sage Video can typically be found on your library's website, either in an A to Z database list or on a discipline-specific page. If you have questions about how to access Sage Video at your institution, please contact your library. Once in the Sage Video platform, after you've conducted a search or browse and have found a video in which you're interested, click the video's title to load the content page. Once the content page loads, you will see a series of circular icons below the video transcript. To obtain the embed code, click on the icon with the HTML brackets labeled Embed. Clicking the embed icon will load a pop-up window. This window contains the embed code, which provides two customization options. First, the length option allows you to obtain the embed code for the entire video, or, if available, any individual segments that comprise the video. Second, the Select a Size option allows you to choose the embedded video's dimensions in pixels. In addition, the pop-up also includes a preview of what an embedded video looks like in a learning management system. To grab the embed code, click the Copy to Clipboard button. Open up your learning management system and navigate to the area in which you want to post this. This could be part of your course content. Use the HTML mode of your editor and paste the video's embed code. You can also embed videos in LibGuides. To do so, select the Media Widget option from the Add Reorder drop-down and paste the embed code into the embed code box. We hope you found this tutorial useful.